Hello again, year 8. In this lesson we're going to add collectibles to our platform game. To give you an overview, when my character moves left and right, they're going to collide with the collectible. The collectible is going to disappear. They're going to be given 5 points and a little sound will play to alert the user that they've successfully scored. So the first stage to do is to import your Sprite collectible, or you may have many of these from your graphic design unit. I'm going to load my Sprite, which was a little apple I created, and I'm going to give it a name. I'll call it S Apple. And again, I'm going to create an object from this so we can program it. I'm going to call this object apple, and I'm going to click OK. So we're going to program this via the character. So we're going to tell the character, we're going to add an event to this, that when they collide with the object apple, apologies, I'm going to have to go back and associate my sprite with that. Object apple is obviously the apple sprite. Okay. So now when I collide with the object apple, I'm going to ask it to destroy an instance. In computing, an instance is an appearance or a use of a particular object. So in the main one you will see this rubbish bin, and I don't want to destroy the character, which would be itself. I want to destroy the other instance that it's collided with. So I'm going to choose that, destroy the instance, and next I'm going to give it a score. So I'm going to go to my score tab and I'm going to choose set a score. So they're going to set the score, and I'm going to give them a new score of 5 points for an apple, and it's going to be relative. They will always get 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. And I'm going to click OK. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import a sound that will play. I'm just going to use some of Game Maker's inbuilt sounds that come with this. So I'm choosing import a sound and load sound. Now this depends whether you're working from home or in school where you will find it. If you're working from home, you'll find it in the Game Maker file sound and it will take you there directly. If you're in school, ask your teacher where this can be found. And I'm going to choose a simple cash register sound. And I'm going to hit open, and I'm going to give it a name called sound ping, because it sounds like a simple ping. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm back to my character object, and again when it collides the apple, destroy the instance, set the score, and finally I'm going to say play a sound, which is in my main one tab. Drag this across, play the sound. What sound do I want? My ping sound, sound ping. I definitely don't want it to loop, which would play over and over, so keep that to false and hit OK. And the final thing I'm going to do is to place my collectible, which is an apple, in the level. So I place one, the nice easy one, beside my character in the corner, and one up on this platform. And I'm going to save and test. So if we've programmed this collectible correctly, when the character collides with it, the other instance, which is the apple, will disappear. We'll hear a little sound and the score will go up by 5. And here we go. Let's see how the game plays. I move left. Hopefully you heard the sound, it disappeared. And you can see at the top, level 1 score is 5. I'll jump up. Sound, disappear, and the level score is now 10. So your task is to add in your collectible or collectibles. You may have apples, bananas, or whatever it is your characters to collect. Watch the video, pause when you need it, refer to the tutorial, or if you're in class, ask your teacher. Good luck. And